This is the Swiffer Dusters Extender. It's the kit, comes in this nice box. It's really well packaged with some details at the top. And then here is the extender on the side. Looks like we got to put it together. Doesn't look too difficult. And then the Swiffers are on the bottom. 3 packs, all sealed up in plastic. And then up here it just says how to use with pictures. Looks pretty simple to put together. Then once this is on, don't just pull, I missed this button, you just press it and it extends. Then it'll click back into place. Now using this, it extends pretty far. Now I'm about 5'2" and it can almost reach the ceiling. It's like at the top of my curtains right now. But it's pretty easy to dust and it still stays intact.